Veer Chakra awardee, Kargil hero, a lifetime of excellence at the highest national and international levels. Flying and conducting missions for the President, Vice President, and Prime Minister of India, executing high-stakes air strikes during the Kargil conflict. Leading complex heliborne operations and formation flypasts, all with zero margin for error. He lost a strike formation buddy and a gunship helicopter to enemy fire during the Kargil airstrike in 1999. Despite the loss, the mission was a success, securing victory for the nation. For his courage and precision, he was honored red with the prestigious Veer Chakra by the President of India. Now, as the founder and CEO of ABS Aerospace Private Limited, he leads with the same precision and excellence. Let's hear his view on data and AI from a Kargil hero.
Hi, we have Mr. Anil Kumar from ABS Aerospace, and we will briefly talk around data and AI and how it is shaping up the aerospace industry. So, your insights around it.
Yeah, I think the data, like the data is the king.
Yes.
And I really personally feel that data can do a lot into the evolution.
Yes.
So, of course, we have just started in a very, very small way.
Yeah.
But with the AI coming in to handle the data or data handling the AI, either way, whatever way, tech languages. But yes, I think today the time has come where we can use the data along with the AI for the automated solutions for the evolution.
So, sir, how is your thought process around that data becomes the new oil today? And data is very important before you embark an AI journey. How do you feel about it?
Like we have a lot of data
Yes.
as far as aviation is concerned. And since it is more into technical, so the kind of a data which is generated, it can be really tapped and it can be, you can record a lot of data. So, but the aim is basically like how we can use this data to save cost,
Save cost, yeah.
to make the aircraft more safe,
Yes.
how the responses can be more lesser prone to the human errors.
To solve the real use case of aviation industry,
Yes.
right? Safety precautions and all
Yes.
those things.
So safety, cost effectiveness.
Yes. Yes.
So it has to be safe
Yeah.
and it has to be cost effective.
Cost.
So in that sense,
Yeah.
we find that making use of the data is going to be really, really very good and very challenging.
Challenging.
So the session which I attended today, I'm just really wondering that how better off we can be for tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
So like for example, like say for the engineering,
Right.
we have so many components in the aircraft.
Correct.
Apart from the airframe, engine, each and every component which is in. So we have a record, we have a database for each aircraft component, what time it fails, for what time it works. On a similar way, in fact, a lot of OEMs are working.
Right.
So you initially, you may, test an engine and certify it to run for 3,000 hours, say. So you have a database, you see the failure rates, and then periodically you might increase the overall life of 3,000 to maybe 3,500 steps to 4,000, 4,500. So that is all making use of the database.
So it changes the entire dynamics and changes the operational efficiency.
Absolutely. And
Great.
so much of cost.
So much of
So
cost.
much of
Yeah.
cost.
And at last, it's end user who gets benefited of it.
Exactly.
Right. Right.
So everybody gets benefited. And of course, the last one, the customer.
Right. Customer. Great talking to you, sir. Always helped your insight.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Great talking to you.
Thank you.